It's day 3 of the intermittent fasting until 4 o'clock challenge with my son. Hi ladies, my name is Lori and I will never diet again. I'm happy to report for his part that he's lost 5 pounds and I have not. I'll tell you what I lost after I eat. Oh, and guess what I got today? I'm pretty excited about it. I got some of this beverage, P-E-R-O beverage. I'm gonna try it. It's a coffee replacement. I'm looking forward to trying that today. I'll let you know what I think about it. It's time to eat and I am hungry. I'm only doing this for a week. I'm so glad it will when it's over, to be honest with you. But I want to be supportive of my son. So he's a good guy. All right, so here I go. Let's get to cooking so I can eat at 4. I can hardly wait. All right. I need to prepare my veggies first so I can get my Instant Pot thing going. I overcooked my Brussels sprouts yesterday, so I'm doing a do-over. I'm not gonna overcook them today. If you overcook your food, you are messing with your digestive system. You're actually adding, I believe it was 12% more calories to your diet by pureeing your food or overcooking your food. Let's keep it so that it is still something we can chew on. Let's not overcook our food. It smells like a potato salad in here. I'm gonna use this parsley from the other day. It will be fine. It will rehydrate. I chopped too many onions yesterday, so it's gonna be good and oniony. Putting in too much, I don't know if I'll be able to eat it all. Now, spinach. Supposed to be ready to go. I'm putting some spinach in there. Huh. Will I be able to eat that? I don't know. It's not up to, it is not up to, here's the halfway mark, but it's not. It's down below here. I need to buy some more laurel leaves. I'm going to add a tablespoon of white miso. Okay, a generous one. And I'm also going to top it with some nutritional yeast. Onto my salad. I can now eat. It's 4 o'clock. Remember seed cycling. Now we're in the second 2 weeks of the month, which we're using sunflower and sesame, and I put in some chia seeds. Ground them up. Now they're ready to be stored in the refrigerator. I am adding my mouth-watering salad dressing and 2 kiwis. Now it's time to add the white miso. Yeah, that works. The soup is good, but unfortunately it's still overcooked my Brussels sprouts, so that'll have to be the last time I cook them in the Instant Pot. I couldn't finish it. Too much. Yeah, I'm stuffed, and I still want to try this before I'm done. And I didn't even put oats in today. Oops. Making some dandelion root tea, and I'm going to boil this for 7 minutes. Never used this before, but it is a coffee substitute. It was what I had available to me. If I like it, I'm going to get the 3 grains and I'm going to roast them and grind them and make my own coffee. Interesting. It smells similar to coffee. It looks good. Still like using my Christmas cup. It's old, but it's the perfect size. Let's see what I think. That's pretty good. Yummy. Really, if you can't have caffeine and you still like coffee, you should try it. I like it. Yay, I'm so happy. I lost a total of 2.8 pounds this week. Today's intermittent fasting weight loss from yesterday to today is a whole half a pound. I don't move around that much, and I would like to increase my exercise. Number one, so that I'll sleep better and get rid of the nervous energy. I'm a conservative Christian, a wife, mother, grandmother, pastor's wife, and my family and I have lived in Mexico since 2004. I'm so glad you've come to join me today. Welcome to my kitchen. Like and subscribe, please.